निकल जाएगा, पानी चला जाएगा। अच्छा, पानी आने से टर्जिड हुआ तो जाने से क्या हो जाएगा? फ्लैसिड हो जाएगा। नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्लैसिड was very loose now, the entire surface of the leaf will curl up, and will this reduce the surface area exposure? And उससे ट्रांसपिरेशन का रेट क्या हो जाएगा? कम हो जाएगा. This will save water now. So is this an adaptation present with the monocots now to save water in that case? ठीक है. Now what are these cells called as? These cells are called as buliform cells. Right. So in grasses, I told you grasses monocots. Certain adaxial upper, they modify themselves to large empty colorless cells. They are called buliform cells. So they can, leaf surface can expose if they are turgid, and the leaf surface can curl if they are flaccid. So this is difference between monocot leaf and dicot leaf, please. Stomata on both the surfaces, hence it is called amphistomatic. Amphi is 2. Stomata more on the lower surface, so it is hypostomatic. Right? All the differences are very, very clearly outlined, please. Coming to the last point for today. Dicot stem and monocot stem. जैसे लास्ट बोला तो ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ रिएक्शन स्टार्ट कमिंग इन, राइट? अब तक सब बराबर चल रहा था, चुपचाप बैठे थे. ठीक है. आई टोल्ड यू ट्रिगर, दीज आर ट्रिगर मैकेनिज्म्स. चलो, नाउ a dicot stem, these are two diagrams for dicot stem. Epidermis, can you see epidermal hair? What are epidermal hair called? Trichomes. So maybe you can just make a note here, trichomes. Below the epidermis you will have cortex. Now यहाँ पर the cortex is further arranged into 3 layers. The cortex is arranged into 3 layers. This is epidermis. The cortex is made up of hypodermis, the general cortex, and the endodermis. What are the 3 parts of the cortex now? Hypodermis, general cortex, and endodermis. So is hypodermis the outermost layer of the cortex? Cortex का सबसे बाहर का लेयर है. Stem में hypodermis का special mention है. Dicot stem है तो it has to be made up of collenchyma, and monocot stem है तो it has to be made up of sclerenchyma. So hypodermis, collenchyma, middle cortex, parenchyma, and innermost endodermis is rich in starch grains referred as starch sheath. Root का endodermis Casparian strip, stem का endodermis starch sheath. Don't miss that, please. So do we have a difference in the endodermis in root and stem now, please? Pericycle unit. Pericycle. Where is the pericycle present? Beneath the endodermis, लेकिन above the phloem. It is beneath the endodermis and above the phloem in the form of semilunar patches of sclerenchyma. So your pericycle is made up of sclerenchyma. So यहाँ पर pericycle में bracket में write sclerenchyma. I told you जहाँ भी sclerenchyma आएगा, please make note of that. Wherever sclerenchyma is present. यहाँ पर pericycle is made up of sclerenchyma. So dicot root में pericycle is made up of sclerenchyma. Vascular bundles. Did we see this diagram earlier also? So is this a ring form? Are the bundles arranged in the form of a ring now? So they have a ring arrangement. Characteristic of dicot stem. ये तो देख के मालूम पड़ेगा dicot stem है. Have a look at here. Can you see protoxylem? Where is protoxylem? Towards the pith. That means it is endarch. Stem है ना? Root is always exarch. Stem is endarch. Vascular bundle is conjoined collateral open with endarch protoxylem. Pith again should be parenchymatous cells. Coming to monocot. Obviously hypodermis is sclerenchyma. Vascular bundles. Look at the vascular bundles यहाँ पर. Look at the bundle arrangement. कितना systematic है पूरा ring format में ना. उसकी वजह से can you see the pith? Pith is very very large, well defined pith. यहाँ पे pith किधर है? Why? Because the vascular bundles have become scattered now. The bundles are now scattered. Large number. Each surrounded by a sclerenchymatous bundle sheath. Sclerenchymatous bundle sheath. So यहाँ पर if you are having a xylem phloem, xylem towards the pith. Pith है नहीं लेकिन xylem towards the center. Collateral हो जाएगा? हो जाएगा collateral. लेकिन बीच में कैम्बियम इज एब्सेंट, मोनोकॉट है, बंडल हैज टू बी क्लोज्ड, बट ईच xylem phloem is having a covering of cells which is called as bundle sheath. It is having a covering called as bundle sheath, and this bundle sheath here is made up of sclerenchyma. I tell you, जहां भी sclerenchyma का हम लोग रुकेंगे उसको नोट करेंगे बराबर से. In the end, I want a list from you. At all the places where sclerenchyma is present, should not be more than 4 or 5, not more than that. ठीक है? Vascular bundles are conjoined closed. Look at the structure of these bundles. Can you see these are peripheral bundles? The bundles at the periphery appear very small, but the bundles at the center are appearing larger. Phloem parenchyma is absent in monocots. DCT question today. Phloem parenchyma is absent in monocots. Water containing cavities are present within the vascular bundles. These water containing cavities are called as lysogenous cavities. Again, they have a role in physiology. Lysogenous cavities. The water containing cavities are called as lysogenous cavities. Now if you have a look between the monocot and dicot, right now, ये तो तुम्हारा वही same diagram of monocot only. This is the difference between monocot and dicot stem. Not given. Only water containing is given. So if you come across the term in MTG or REM, you should not get confused. The same water containing are known as lysogenous. Right, so monocot, dicot stem, I have highlighted the differences. Again, I am repeating as a part of your homework, these three differentiations should be coming in your notes or the NCERT, wherever you deem fit. You are free to make a note in both the books also. Right? For homework, you are writing the anatomy part only once from the NCERT. Only the anatomy, not the three types of tissue systems. Starting वाला part नहीं. Point number 3 से. Clear है? सबको homework clear है सबको please? ठीक है? Yes. Yes. Only the anatomy वाला part please. Please, quiet please. I said quiet. For the DCT next time, you're going to have only what we have done today. Please, next time don't crib and cry, sir, ye to tha, ye to nahi tha and all that stuff. For homework, the second point is not there. For DCT, the second point is there. क्या क्या मतलब जो 3 टाइप का बंडल हमने किया, the 3 types of tissue systems and the 3 anatomies that we covered today, root stem leaf. Both the parts are there for DCT next time. ठीक है? Are we clear? Next time we will meet to discuss point number 4.